Oh! Oh! Shame.
Hey everybody, it's the first week of raffle season. We're down here on the Duxbury property. We're going to do an evening hunt. I'm sitting with my husband Adam. It's in the low 40s tonight with a little bit of a breeze. So we're hoping we can get something done. We'll check back in.
We gotta crawl right up here to the blind because we already got 4 deer that I can see out in the field. So I didn't know they'd be out this early.
Alright folks, Adam and I crawled up here to the little box stand blind. We were hoping to get in it, but as we started getting up here, we seen that there was 4 does in the upper field, and there was a little doe with a nice 7-point buck chasing her around. They skirted off to the woods.
See it? See it? Stop. Right. Oh! Oh! Shame.
Is there any more shells? I didn't hit him, did I? Hey guys, it's about 5:15 in the evening, and I shot, and I'm thinking I might have hit it, so we're gonna go check for some blood. Okay, we came up here to the top of the hill to try to find blood from the bear that I shot, and we were getting ready to start tracking, looking for blood. We found something else instead.
Huh? Kick him with your foot.
Don't I need the gun?
He's dead, Lisa.
Hey, thank you to my husband. Baby, I'm nervous.
Huh?
I'm nervous to touch him. You're sure he's dead?
Yeah.
That is so freaking cool. Pretty decent shot.
You made a perfect shot.
Oh my gosh. Do you hear?
That's just...
He's so fresh, it has me nervous. Talk about a score. Okay, we have been watching a couple does and a little button buck and one little spike. They had been feeding out in this field that we were watching on and off for the past 2 hours. And then all of a sudden, I don't know where they got spooked. So Adam started checking out the tree lines and surrounding areas to see what could have spooked them, because we knew that it wasn't us, that we hadn't made too much racket. And then this beauty come out of nowhere, and she come out for just a few seconds, just enough time to get a look at her and for Adam to nudge me and tell me that there was a bear in the field. And then she popped back in the woods, but only briefly. She was right back out, and she was about 150 yards, probably out in the field for a couple of minutes, just long enough for Adam to get her attention a couple times with a grunt call at her. Well, granted, I don't know if it's a grunt call, but then I shot, and I got my first bear, and she is a beauty, and I'm so stoked and so blessed. Oh, she's about 250 pounds. It's a female, and I shot her just slightly back. She was quartering away from me, and I was trying to get a long shot, heart shot, but it was just slightly back, but she dropped. As soon as we come up here, right after we shot her, we looked at the film to see where she was at. We come up here to check the scene, and before we could even start looking for blood or trying to start track her, I'm so tongue-tied. I'm so freaking stoked. My adrenaline's pumping. Adam spotted her, and she had dropped probably, what do you say, 10, 15 yards from where I shot her at.
Yeah.
I was so, oh my God, that's crazy. This is amazing. This is the best, literally the best day ever. And I'm very grateful to my very sweet and diligent husband who is patient with me and who has spent the last decade teaching me how to hunt. So that's hunting in Virginia. And this is a freaking awesome night. I'm very grateful.